The holiday season is approaching, and we want to remind you of some of the steps you can take to monitor the activity on your lockbox and your listings. Always remember when placing a lockbox on your listing to choose a location that is out of view of the street whenever possible. Water or gas pipes, porch railings, and chain link fences are great alternatives to using the doorknob of a home's front door to place your lockbox. You can proactively ensure agents provide a completed PEAD-V form prior to viewing your listing by activating the CBS or call before showing code on your lockbox. A CBS code is a 7-digit code issued by the listing agent that grants access to his or her lockbox. When this feature has been activated, agents are unable to access the key container of a lockbox without entering the CBS code first, allowing you to verify the PEAD-V form has been completed. When entering your listing into the MLS, be sure to note call for CBS code in the showing instructions and to be courteous by entering the location of the lockbox on the property. Once the listing input is complete, you can assign the lockbox to your listing on the SuperWeb management site. It's best to assign the lockbox directly in the SuperWeb system so you can set up showing reports, monitor lockbox activity, and even request feedback on your listing. For more information on setting up your CBS code, you can visit the Super Key and Lockbox page on our website, www.bayeast.org. To access the SuperWeb management site, please visit www.supraekey.com and select Login for Real Estate Agents to set up your username and password. And of course, if you have any questions or need assistance with these or any other Bay East benefits or services, please feel free to contact us directly at 925-730-4060. Thank you for watching.